Okay, so I know it's noisy here, but I'm still gonna say this thing. Well, actually, I don't really know why cops feel like they are gods or something just because they're holding gun. I mean, cops, security, bouncers, all them motherfuckers holding guns, like they just feel like they're gods. If you look in the wrong way, I mean, if you look at all, not even in the wrong way, they tend to intimidate you because they're with a rifle or something. So today, something actually happened today. I was in school. I was inside school, so we are going to host a convocation tomorrow for the graduate students, the 55th convocation. So I entered school to check some things, and there's a lot of events going on right now. So I had to try making videos, because I would put the videos together and make my content post here on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere. So I was making these videos when one of the security men saw me, and he was like, "Come here, what are you doing?" I told him I'm making videos that I would put together for my content, and he said, "Does that also include you making videos of the cops?" I told him I was not making any video of the cops or something. So this guy literally grabbed my phone, and then started going through my phone and all that. So I tried taking it, but he was being so aggressive, so I just had to let him. So after checking through my phone, he had to delete some things. Like, he deleted the video I made, and then another video that doesn't even concern. And then after checking through my phone and realizing that I didn't have anything bad, SBit or something, he checked and went to my deleted files to know if there's anything, but there was nothing actually. So he had to give me back the phone, and I was really pissed. I was feeling bad. So he literally slapped me for nothing, like just because I did a video. Even though I was explaining to him that I am a bona fide student of the institution, that I am a graduate. I'm even doing my convocation tomorrow, so I was trying to put the videos together so that I will, use it as memories when I post them online. But this guy didn't listen. He was just busy trying to justify his actions, and he was even trying to call me a smoker or something just because he wants to pin something on me to make him feel like he justified the action I just committed. So people were now telling me that I should just leave the man and go out there before he resorts to any other thing. But I told him I didn't do anything. Like, I didn't actually do nothing. So why would I even be running away from this abuser? Like, he was literally assaulting me. And it seems like we are comfortable being afraid of people that abuse us just because he's carrying a gun or something. I mean, normally people are not supposed to confront people with guns when you're not with guns, but in the premises of the law, I don't really think you should be scared of people. They are meant to protect us. But he just did this, and I'm feeling so bad. Like, literally, I'm feeling so bad, and I'm going home now. I'm going to my lodge now, feeling bad because a policeman or a security man who is meant to be securing the environment is literally assaulting me and abusing me wrongly just because I did a video. Meanwhile, there are people doing videos there, videos of the governor, drones and everything, because people are actually covering the whole environment. The governor is coming in preparation to the students' convocation, which I am part of. It's not good at all. It's not good. Like, I feel bad actually. I don't know how to calm myself, but I'm just doing this video because police brutality is too much in this country. It's very much, and they're using it like they feel like they are right, whatever they do. Why would he even snatch my phone and start going through it? Assuming I had anything now in the phone that wasn't good, I mean, he would have claimed that and then maybe arrested me or something. Meanwhile, he didn't have warrant in the first place. It makes me feel bad actually. So I don't know how, but if you see this, just know that the police in this country are not treating us right. However it is, it's just bad. I'm feeling bad right now.